What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Nayo Campbell, and we're here in Miami, Florida for the American Black Film Festival, and we're at a special screening of Beats, a new Netflix film starring Anthony Anderson and newcomer Khalil Everage. We're going to be getting exclusive interviews with the cast. Let's take a look.
Well, honestly, when I read the script, I immediately connected because I love music, and music is a big part of all of our lives, I think, and just connecting with that story and this character, Kari, was like, oh man, I hope I get this role. And when I booked it, I was like, wow, like, this is happening.
A lot of people, they, are aware of all the bad things in Chicago, and they are aware of what happens in Chicago, but they don't understand about what happens to the survivors. You know what I'm saying? And in the movie, I'm a survivor, and a lot of people, they don't understand about the things that you have to go through to become a survivor.
Because stories like this have been swept under the rug in our community. It deals with mental health and a lot of other things. And we all had that uncle that lived in the basement or in the back room someplace, and you never really accepted it or dealt with the issues that we are welcoming now and embracing. So it's a story about that. It's a story about hope. It's a story about overcoming obstacles and dealing with adversity and coming out on the flip side a lot better than what you were when you started.